Hi, I'm Anthony. I'm a foreman for Master Services, and we're out here at a customer's house today. We're going to address some wall movement issues. This crack right here is opening up from the soil pressure outside. The expanding and contracting of the soil is pushing on this wall, and it's got a weak point in it somewhere, and it's starting to move. So we're here to put in our geolocks to stabilize and put this wall, keep it where it's at right now. After the inspector done his initial evaluation, we come in and we drill our holes in our cores of the block to run our geolock rods out to the trench outside that we've already dug. Once they hit outside in the trench, we cap them with a plate on the inside and on the outside too, to create pressure in between to hold the wall from moving anymore. At the end, when we cap them, we'll run some wax around the threads to keep moisture and water intrusion coming down them rods will keep it inside. But yeah, this project went really well. Appreciate y'all watching, and thank you.